स्कूल गाजियाबाद, सचिन यादव 12th कॉमर्स से सबमिटेड टू मिस्टर राजेश सर, बिजनेस स्टडीज एंड रिव्यूअल। Fourteen principles of management. Division of work. According to this principle, the whole work must be divided into small tasks or units as assigned to one person according to the capability, qualification and experience of the person. Authority and responsibility. Authority means power to take decision. Responsibility means obligation to complete the work on time. There is a balance between authority and responsibility. Discipline. Fuel insists that discipline is required at superior as well as subordinate level. Unity of command. According to this principle, an employee should receive order from only one boss. If he receives order from more than one boss, then he will get confused and will not able to understand where order must be executed. Unity of direction. According to this principle, one unit means one plan. All the employees and members of the organization must be directed towards the common goal of the organization. Subordination of individual interest to general interest. According to this principle, the interest of organization must supersede the interest of individual or employees. Remuneration of employees. According to this principle, employees in the organization must be fairly or adequately to give them maximum satisfaction. The employees should be paid fair wages and salaries. Centralization and decentralization. Centralization refers to the power in few hands at the top level of management. Decentralization means distribution of power at every level of management. Principle of scholar chain. Scholar chain means line of authority or chain of superior from highest to lowest rank. Principle of order. It refers to orderly arrangement of man and material, that is a fixed place for everything and everyone in the organization. Principle of equity. Equity refers to kind, fair and just treatment to employees. Employees will put their maximum efforts only when they are treated with kindness and justice. Stability of tenure of personnel. According to this principle, management must provide the feeling of job security among the employees, because the feeling of insecurity of the job, the employees cannot contribute their maximum. Initiative. Fuel suggested that employees in the organization must be given as opportunity to take some initiative in making and executing a plan. Aspirate D. Crops. Management must encourage and promote team spirit, unity and harmony. It will minimize the need for using penalties.